Right now, if you're watching this, you are paying for a website that is giving you little to zero return on investment. No calls, no leads, no traffic, no growth. But why? Because Google can't read your website. If Google can't read your website, how can customers find you? And this is happening every single day. They're calling the competitors. Most businesses in the DMV have a website, but very few of them have a real strong marketing team behind them. So we work with over 50 plus businesses across the DC, Maryland, and Northern Virginia area. We have recently just got awarded the Global Recognition Award for these examples. Junk Disappear doubled the revenue in 90 days. Nova Demo Experts went from 70K to 475K a year. Taqueria grew 150% in online orders. What do all these businesses have in common? All of these are ranking number 1 on Google for exactly what their customers are searching for. So here's our offer. At Vela Ranks, you are a direct customer, meaning you are working with me directly. You get a full marketing team behind you. So you get SEO, website design, development, content, Google business profile, optimization and management to graphic design, and we'll even help out with your ads. All done under one team. You never have to hire again for marketing. If that sounds good to you, book a free 15-minute call below. I'll personally talk to you and review your business before we even get on the call. Thank you.